Hey everyone. So I'm trying to pay very close attention on to which videos are getting the best feedback and getting the most views, obviously. And I'm realizing that I need to start talking more about tying in PPC with organic sales. So the one that I talked about with TACoS, where looking at TACoS on an account level, people loved it. So what I want to do here is show you how to quickly get TACoS on a per ASIN level, just so again, I'm gonna try to stop talking about ACOS as much as possible. But what this is gonna do is show you the spend for each product compared to each individual ASIN's total sales. So you can look at TACoS on a product level. So it gives you a little more insights. If you're looking at an account level, obviously the best sellers are going to be driving most of it. So super simple here. I'm on business reports on just the by Asin. You just download this report. So download this report. I'm going to do it for the month of February. And then you're going to come into advertised reports and pull an advertised product report for the same date range for sponsored products. With sponsored brands and sponsored display, the reports are messier. I'm just doing this for sponsored products right now. Okay? Now, what I've done, this is the advertised product report, except I have deleted some ASINs, deleted some columns, so I have the ASINs here, all right? Now, all we want to do, the only filter you're going to make on advertised product report is sorting advertised ASIN from A to Z. That's it. Because I know this is blurred out, but all of this spend right here is tied to one ASIN, because the whole point of the advertised product report is to show you how many different campaigns and ad groups each ASIN is in. So I need to sum up this spend to get total spend for each ASIN. Super simple. You come to data. Yours might be in a different spot. Mine is here, but you're looking for the subtotal button. So all you do is subtotal. At each change in advertised ASIN, use function sum to spend. Boom. Now we have this. Now we have the total of spend of all of our ASINs for the month of February. Now, I like to do one more thing here, because I just need to say, I know I'm good at Excel, but I am nowhere near an expert in Excel, so I need to take some shortcuts like this to make it easier for me. So what I like to do here is select all of this, and then click this button, select visible cells. I'm going to copy this. It's just going to make it cleaner for me personally. So I just have the totals. And now, since I'm a bit of an Excel noob, is I'm going to find and replace totals with nothing, because I just want the ASINs here. One very small thing, usually when there's something wrong with Excel, there's an empty space mark. So then I just do find and replace spacebar with nothing. See, and I just replace all those spaces. Okay? And I just want these clean. Boom. I have all of my ASINs with their spend. Now I come to the business report. This is the business report, and again, I deleted some SKUs and some other simple data, but we can make this easier. All we want to look at in the business report is the ASIN and how much it's sold. That's all we want. And I'm going to make a new column for spend, and then it's just a simple VLOOKUP. I want to VLOOKUP this ASIN in this sheet, comma 2, comma false. I copy this down. This number is all of the spend that this ASIN has gotten in the past 30 days. Right next to its total sales. Took me about 3 minutes to do this, okay? For a huge account that has a lot of ASINs. Now, simple enough. This is what we're looking for here. TACoS. TACoS equals this divided by this. Boom. We've got TACoS for all of our individual ASINs. Right here. I wish I could zoom in here. Let me move myself just a second. Okay. So, we have TACoS here. And let's mess with this. Honestly, I don't do this too much because this is pretty granular, but this really gives you a good picture. So we have a lot of these that aren't going to show us anything. But at this point, you guys can probably have a good idea of how to mess with this yourself. So I want to get rid of these NAs. And now we're getting somewhere, okay? So I have, first off, I know my total TACoS is, let's say it's 10%, right? Without diving too deep into numbers here, because we know how to pull it for a total account. That's easy. We want to look at each individual ASIN. So right off the bat, this account has 4 of them over 100% TACoS. So I need to dive in here and see what's happening. Sometimes this happens if you're trying to get rid of inventory, if you're trying to maybe just get it out the door and push it and sell through. But other times, this just means that these products are very, very unoptimized and not spending at all. So there's 2 options here. What I would do is I would see if these are variation listings and these are just color variations that are way, way, way overspending, I'm going to pause them and I'm going to do nothing with them. Because this TACoS, I mean, there's a huge jump here from like 140 to 90%, and then it gets better and better. These are still high, but I want to go through, and this account does have over, close to 300 ASINs. But if I just pull out the problem ones, these top 10 here are really, really costing me a lot of money, okay? So that's it. Once you do this simple calculation, then you can see it's just the outliers that you want to mess with. And it doesn't take that much time to go through these outliers and see, okay, what campaigns are these in? Should I pause these campaigns? Why are they spending so much? Why are they doing so little? Is it worth even keeping this variation? Should I just cut it completely? So super simple calculation here, but it just goes a step deeper on TACoS that I know I need to cover more. So I hope this helps you guys at least gain some insights on maybe where you're wasting some money in your PPC.